guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you one of my most favorite bags in my collection, and it's about the Louis Vuitton Alma PM in Damier canvas. This one is a classic, guys. This is one of the most timeless pieces Louis Vuitton owns, so just look at it and enjoy the view, because this is the bag of all times, guys. I mean, this is like pure elegance, this is pure simplicity. I mean, look at it and just stare at it, because this bag, guys, you will see, I mean, so often when you are in town, because the women, they like to be like classy, they like the classy bags, and this one is such a nice and bomb one, guys. Also, you can get this bag for just 1,350 euros at Louis Vuitton, and I think this is one of the most acceptable prices for the bags at Louis Vuitton, as the prices just go higher for other bags. So this bag really is a beauty. As you can see, we have it in golden hardware again, so I am really in love with the golden hardware, as it fits to this beautiful brownish color this bag has. So I will just show you the zip, as this bag has a beautiful zip in golden color and it shines so beautifully. You can so easy unzip this bag, guys. This bag is so practical and handy, I cannot tell you enough. So if you look at the inside, you will see the beautiful red color this bag has, guys. I haven't seen such a nice red in a long time, and I really fell in love with it. I think this is also the main reason why I opted for this bag, because as you can see, when you're opening, you have a wow effect. It's an eye catcher, guys, and you cannot do anything wrong with it. So up in here we have two smaller departments, and of course we have the main department, which you can see here. I think this is such a handy bag because you can pop everything inside and it gives you a lot of space. So this is the biggest Alma you can get, and you have like space for almost everything. So you can put your wallet inside, even an iPad would fit in. I mean, this bag is really handy for every one of us. You can use it for office style or just for beautiful dinners outside. You can take it to an event or anything else, just casually go out. I mean, this bag is beautiful. You can match it with your dresses, with your casual style. You can even match it with a jogging outfit. I mean, this bag really fits to everything. You just have to fit it well with beautiful colors, and then you will be an eye catcher at all. Now I want to show you the handles, guys. So if you know me, you know that I really like the darker handles from Louis Vuitton. I don't really like the light ones, because the light ones will get so dark with the time that it won't look good at the end, and the brown one, like the dark one, like this one, they stay like it. So if they get damaged, what really is not happening so often, you can just go and reset it. But the light handles, guys, they will stay like so dark by time. I really don't like it. So if you know, my Speedy also is in Damier canvas with dark handles. So yeah, this is why I opted for the Alma in Damier. But of course I really love the other Almas with the monogram canvas, and I mean, all the bags, they look bomb, guys. You just have to look for yourself which one you prefer, so just buy that one. So guys, now I want to show you how I like to style this beautiful bag. So first of my styles is like in my hand, wearing it as a tote. It would look like this, and I think it looks so amazing and so chic. This bag has really much stability in the handles, so you can hold it very well. The other style will be on my arm, which is also very nice. This looks a little bit more classy, if you're wearing it like this, but maybe with the time it won't get so comfortable while wearing it like this. Of course, you will have a lot of stuff inside and the bag will get heavier, so maybe it is better to wear it in your hand like this, or just change the styles within them, because this is also super nice, and I would really recommend to all of you guys to own such a bag, because it is an endless piece. You can wear it anytime, and the timeless pieces like this, they are also very handy, guys. So babes, this was my video about my Alma PM in Damier canvas. I am really happy to have shown you this bag, as I really want to recommend it to you. So if you like my video, leave me a like, comment it, or subscribe to my channel for other luxury items.